Hello students, in our last classes we have discussed about our second chapter in EVS, that is Be Care. In this chapter we have discussed how different people are not able to use their sense organs properly and they are called the people with disabilities. If a person is not able to speak or hear, we can use sign language. Like if I want water, I can see like this. That means I am not speaking anything, just with action. So sign language means just by doing the actions, we can easily communicate with them, and there are special sign languages also for these type of people. But what if a person is blind? A blind person is not able to see anything and he is really in need of a special care. For that only a boy, 15 years old boy called Louis Braille, he invented this script, that is Braille script, that helped the blind people to learn to study and even to write. So it's really a fun time activity. This is the Braille script. There will be 6 dots where one of the dot will be in raised form so that it tells the alphabets. You can see here there are 26 alphabets on the board, with every alphabet is having a different pattern. So these patterns, when they touch, just by touching these patterns, they can easily judge the alphabet and like that they read and they write. So let us have a small fun. You can see here the dot patterns of different alphabets. Like A, it is a single dot. B, 2 dots, and then 2 in the right hand side. C, 2 dots in the upper side. D, it is like this. E, F. For all the alphabets, there are some raised dots. Now what is our activity? This side you can see I have written my name. My name is Padmaja. Clear? So what we can do? We can write our name using this dotted pattern, using this Braille script. So this is only for fun, a small activity, so that we will come to know the pain they are going through, so that we can help them whenever they are in need. Now see, here I have written my name. So my name spells Padmaja. Clear? Now let us see here in this pattern P. So I have written here only for my name I have written this pattern P. There is P, A, D, M, A, J, A. See again here P, A, D, M, A, J, A. This we have copied from here. We have taken, where is P? P, A, D, M, A, J, A. So that is my name. Now what you have to do? This you can see easily the pattern. Even you will get this in YouTube's and many other links where you will get the pattern of the alphabets. Now what you have to do is take up an A4 size paper and write down your name first in English alphabets, and then very nicely with colored dots write beautifully your name in Braille. I repeat, take one A4 size paper, write your name as I have written, and then copy your alphabets, the spell from the this Braille script, and just use sketch pen and write the beautiful alphabets with these dotted. You can see here these are dotted. So with the lightly colored dots, write your name in A4 size paper, click a picture and send it to us. I think you are clear with the activity. This is the Braille script. This you will get again in YouTube also. write your name using this braille script as I have written my name. Yes, this is important to know how much we are lucky as all our sense organs are working perfectly. We are able to see the beauty of the nature, the beautiful colors, the beautiful rainbow, the butterflies flying. Yes, we are very lucky. So thank God for that and thank your parents for that, and very important, always keep safe so that we will be always happy, and just do this activity and keep a touch. Thank you.